Bullets are old, lasers already in the field. But what if the next weapon of war didn't fire light or lead, but plasma, the same matter that fuels the stars? Welcome to the terrifying possibility of handheld plasma rifles. What plasma really is? Plasma is the fourth state of matter. It's not solid, liquid, or gas. It's superheated particles stripped of their electrons. The same stuff inside the sun, lightning bolts, and nuclear fusion reactors. Plasma burns hotter than fire, moves faster than sound, and carries massive electrical charge. In short, it's nature's ultimate weapon. The question, can we tame it and fit it into a gun? The science fiction origin. The idea of plasma rifles is legendary in science fiction. From Terminator to Halo, plasma weapons symbolize the future of firepower. They look like rifles, but instead of bullets, they hurl glowing bolts of star matter, vaporizing whatever they touch. For decades, it seemed impossible. How do you trap a miniature sun and launch it on demand? But now, engineers are inching closer. Where we really stand. Labs around the world are experimenting with controlled plasma. The US has tested plasma torches capable of cutting through steel like butter. Military researchers are studying plasma projectors for non-lethal uses, like disabling electronics or creating sound barriers. And in 2024, Chinese engineers filed patents describing portable plasma discharge devices. Crude, but proof of interest. None of these are battlefield-ready rifles, but the building blocks are forming. Plasma rifle might work. Imagine a handheld device with three main systems. Power supply, a compact fusion-like energy source or high-density battery to generate extreme heat. Containment, magnetic fields to hold plasma in shape, preventing it from dissipating instantly. Projectile system, a pulse that hurls the plasma bolt downrange before the containment collapses. The result? A glowing, superheated projectile that melts through armor, vehicles, or fortifications. Why militaries want it? The advantages are terrifying. Armor-piercing. Plasma burns hotter than any conventional round. Shock and awe. A visible bolt of starfire is as psychological as it is physical. Ammo efficiency. No bullets, just energy. In theory, a plasma rifle could replace entire stockpiles of weapons with one system. It's the kind of weapon that changes the rules of combat overnight. The challenges. But reality isn't there yet. Plasma dissipates fast without containment. Magnetic fields strong enough to hold plasma require bulky equipment. Portable power sources can't yet generate the heat of a star. That's why today's plasma weapons are mostly lab experiments and industrial tools. The rifle version lives in the future, not the armory. The risks. Even if they become real, plasma rifles raise chilling questions. Who controls weapons that can melt a tank in seconds? How do you defend against a beam of star matter? And what happens when rogue states or non-state groups get their hands on them? The risks go beyond warfare. They challenge the very balance of global security. Handheld plasma rifles remain the stuff of science fiction. But every year, science fiction inches closer to science fact. And if humanity does unlock the power of the stars in a gun, the battlefield will never be the same. This is Techrupt. Subscribe now before the future of firepower burns through reality.